Oscar, hello dear. Oscar, hello dear. I say come here. I say come here. Look at our handkerchief. Look at our handkerchief. It is very dirty. It is very dirty. How are you? Are you okay? I am okay too. It's your teacher Annunciata. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. We have been talking about cleaning the common items and the personal items, the material we use and what we don't use. Today we want to clean our personal item. Who can remind me some of the personal items we talked about? We talked about the hairbrush. What else did you talk about? The toothbrush, the comb, the handkerchief, socks, underwears, and all those. And we are saying when we use these personal items, they get dirty. And what are we supposed to do? For us to prevent illness, we are supposed to clean them. Now, I want to show you how to clean one of the personal items, which is a handkerchief. When you look at this handkerchief, it is very dirty. Now, we are talking about cleaning a handkerchief. And first thing that you should know the materials needed for you to clean this handkerchief. What do you need? What do you need when you want to clean the handkerchief? Look at the table and tell me materials needed. You're talking about materials needed. Teacher, we need salt. Very good. We have salt here. Are you seeing the salt? Good. So we are saying we need salt. What else do we need? We need clean water. Clean water, not just water, but it should be clean water. When you look at this water, is it dirty or clean? It is clean. So we are saying we need clean water. What else do we need? We need soap. Are you seeing soap? It's there. So we need soap. So those are some of the materials that we need when we are cleaning a handkerchief. And we are saying now, what is our steps? Steps followed. What are we supposed to do? Which one should be the first one? We are saying a handkerchief. What is the work of a handkerchief? Is it used for wiping the body? No, it is used for cleaning the nose. And you know what comes from the nose? What comes from the nose? There is that comes from the nose called mucus. So what are we supposed to do? For us to break that mucus first, I will take water, clean water a little. Then what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to add salt. Why am I adding salt? Why am I adding salt to this water? Why am I adding salt to this water? Who can tell me why am I adding salt to this water? Teacher, we are adding the salt to the water to break the mucus. Very good. And then I will soak my handkerchief in the warm salty water for some time. I have soaked my handkerchief there. So we are saying step number one. We are saying step number one. Step number one is soak. Put clean water. Step number one, they're saying put dash water in a basin or a bucket. Dash water in a basin. When you saw that water, how was the water? You are yet to tell me. Was it clean or was it dirty? Very good. Then step number two, we have said add salt to the water. Add dash to the water. I don't know what you've added to that water. Maybe it was sugar, I'm not sure. Maybe it was salt, not still very sure. Then we are saying step three, soak the dash. What have you soaked in that water? Soak the dash in the water to break mucus. In the water to break or loosen mucus. I don't know what we are soaking. Maybe it was a towel. I don't know. but you're the one who knows what you soaked in that salty water. Then step number 4. After we've soaked this in the salty water, now I think it has broken all the mucus. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed now to add soap. And I'm here. I want to add the soap. And you're saying when you add soap, you don't just add soap and leave it. You are adding soap and rubbing that handkerchief to remove other dirt. You are adding and rubbing that handkerchief. And why am I rubbing the handkerchief? To remove dirt. I'm rubbing this handkerchief to remove dirt. Can you follow the steps cleanly? Because after this, everybody will wash the handkerchief you carried from home. I will only provide water, but you will wash your handkerchief. So we are saying, after adding soap, you don't just leave it. What do? You rub it. And why are we rubbing it? We are rubbing this handkerchief to do what? To remove dirt. We are rubbing it to remove dirt. And we are saying, after rubbing this handkerchief nicely, what are we supposed to do? Go and hang the handkerchief to dry with the soap? Should I go and hang this handkerchief direct from this water? No. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to rinse my handkerchief in clean water. You see, it's no longer dirty. Have you seen it? Now, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to rinse my handkerchief very well to remove the soap. And then what am I supposed to do? To hang it to dry. You hang it on the sun, not in the shade. You will go and hang it on the sun to do what? To dry. Okay? So let's finish our steps. Let's finish the steps. We are saying, after you've soaked the handkerchief in the salty water, what are we supposed to do? We are going to add soap and rub to remove dirt. Remember, the purpose of the mucus was only to remove, the purpose of the salt was only to remove mucus. But now, if you want to remove dirt, what are you supposed to do? You're going to add soap and rub to remove dirt. And then we are saying, lastly, rinse in clean water to remove soap. Rinse in clean water to remove soap. Then you can hang, you hang it on the sun to dry. You hang it on the sun to dry. And after it has dried, you can now iron it to remove other germs. You can now iron your handkerchief to remove other germs. So we are saying today we have done what? We have cleaned. What are we cleaning? I forgot to tell you here. Steps for cleaning a handkerchief. It's supposed to be steps for cleaning a handkerchief as our personal item. So you have seen the way we have cleaned the handkerchief, and now I expect everybody stand. Pick your handkerchiefs. We are going out. We want to clean following the steps we have learned in class. We have said, which one is the first step? Put water, just water, dirty water. Put clean water in a basin. Then what are you supposed to do? You're adding sugar because it's tea you want to take. No, you're adding salt to the water. Why am I supposed to add salt? Why don't I add sugar? I want to break the mucus. Then I soak the handkerchief in the water to break the mucus. I will add soap and rub to remove dirt. And from there, I'll rinse in clean water to remove soap and hang it on the sun to dry. And in case I feel like I should iron, I can also iron the handkerchief to remove other dirts and germs. Now we have learned steps on how to clean a handkerchief. We have very many personal items. Apart from handkerchief, we have the hair comb, we have the towel, we have the nail cutter, we have the hairbrush. All those are still personal items. The socks, the underwears. For now, we are going to practice washing the handkerchief. When you go home, with the help of your parents, I want you to take a video, cleaning your socks and the underwears. Are we together? Why are you laughing? Who does not put on an underwear? Everybody puts on an underwear. So I expect people to learn how to clean their underwears. And of course, with the help of your parents. So tomorrow, I hope I'll see a lot of videos and very exciting videos on how people are supposed to clean their underwears and their socks. Is that okay? Am I very clear? It was nice having you around, and I hope I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.